If you need to cancel a pending transfer with the Bank of North Carolina, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your request is processed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your online banking account by visiting the Bank of North Carolina website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, locate the section for Transfers or Transactions. This is typically found in the main menu or under the Accounts tab. Step 3. Find Pending Transfers. Look for a list of your recent transactions and identify the pending transfer you wish to cancel. This may be labeled as pending or in process. Step 4. Select the transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation of the pending transfer. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the cancellation is successful. Make sure to check your account to verify that the transfer has been cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer service for assistance.